How to add music to your video in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device, then go to the Studio tab at the bottom. Tap on Create and Edit and select the video you want to add music to from your media library. Next, tap on the Let's Go button. The app will then create a preview. Delete any unwanted clips or text and tap on your video to continue. After that, look for the music icon usually found at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. You can either choose from the app's built-in music library or tap on the option to add music from your device storage. Browse through the available tracks and select the one you want to add to your video. Once selected, you can preview the track with the audio on your video. If needed, trim the music to fit the video content by using the trimming tools. When you are satisfied, tap Save to apply the changes to your video with the music applied. Now you know how to add music to your video in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.